Perth has a water shortage by Bryan, Lush.
The Barnett government won't rule a big price hike in or out of this year's state budget as Perth's water shortage gets worse. Extended sprinkler bans are being considered, but Watercorp's boss says that won't be enough if many Perth households don't curb their water-guzzling habit.
Inquiry focus questions. First off, I have an overarching question, that is, why is Perth currently having issues regarding water shortage? And 3 feeder questions that lead into this, which is what environmental factors are contributing to Perth's water shortage, what non-environmental factors, and then are there any long-term solutions that we can do that are environmentally friendly? What is causing this problem? Well, first off, we have a shortage of rainfall, a dramatic increase in population, and a centralisation of this population. Natural factors. First off, we have a shortage of rainfall. You can see in the pre-1974 average, we had about 338 gigalitres of rainfall per year. And now coming into the 2006, 2001 and 2006 period, we're looking at between 80 and 90 gigalitres per year. So a massive drop in rainfall. As this graph shows, Perth rainfall has dropped by 200 millimetres a year since 2013 to 2015. Dam levels. Perth dams have been steadily declining the amount of water stored, as shown in the blue line from 2009 into the yellow line from 2015. There is a 150 gigalitre difference. So global warming. The Earth actually has undergone a 0.74% increase in temperature over the last 100 years, and according to NASA Director Mr. James Hansen, a 2-degree increase per year is a prescription for a long-term disaster. Unnatural factors affecting Perth's water shortage. Increase in population. How many people currently call Perth home? In the period leading up to 2011, we were just shy of 2 million, and now it's your turn to guess whether or not we're under or over 2 million. The latest stats tell us that Perth population has grown at a rate of 2.5%, the highest in Australia, and reaching about 2,021,200 people in 2014 to 2015. Centralisation of population. The population density of Perth has increased. More people are moving to Perth with less places to live, and so now we have 94.3% of dwellings classified as high density. As you look at this graph representing the population density change from 2006 to 2011, you can see the areas of Perth, Claremont and Fremantle becoming heavily densified. So, Perth is trying to become a climate-independent city. This means it will have water, whatever the climate is. We have schemes in order to fix the problem of water shortage. These are desalination plants, using deep basin aquifers and groundwater replenishment schemes, and grey water wastewater usage. So, the groundwater replenishment scheme, this means taking water from the water treatment plant, the other water treatment plant, moving to the water recycling plant where it's further treated to drinking standards, and then re-injected into the ground for future use. Here we have a news report about the new operations being put in place around Perth.
The recycling plant under construction in Craigie will produce more water from December, 14 billion litres, and its expansion could now be fast-tracked.
Perth now has 2 operational desalination plants in the south, and one is further being built off the coast of Garden Island. Perth's smart thinking future. We have what's called a wave-powered saltwater generation plant. This means taking eco-friendly wave-generated electricity and using it to power a desalination plant to provide water to Garden Island. Grey water wastewater usage. This means implementing a system that takes water from showers, sinks and washing machines and then filters it back into local parks and into your garden. Your action plan. Number 1, cut down on water usage in your showers. Number 2, 3 and 4 all apply to your garden. This is installing rainwater tanks, installing groundwater systems and using things like mulch. Number 5 is to publicise. Make sure everyone knows about the water shortage and how to combat it.